What are you into? What is it? I don't think you're supposed to do that. No. Olivia, Mommy said no. I know. I say no a lot, don't I? Oh, go get it. Go get it. Thank you. He's there again. Go get him. How does he keep getting over there? Your diaper's hanging out the back. Give him a kiss. Thank you. What are you doing over there? Oh, I don't think so, ma'am. No. Put it back. Put it back. Thank you. Thank you. No. We're going to leave that stuff there. No. Go put it back. Go put it back. Go put... No. Yeah, let's put it back. That's your shoes. Shoes. Oh, they're beautiful. They're beautiful shoes. Those will look pretty on you. What are you whispering over there? I hear you whispering. Come over this way, please. Come on. Are those your pretty new sandals? Yes, they're very pretty. Those are beautiful. You gonna take them? You gonna take them? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Do you want to go have some lunch? Yeah? Go have lunch? Are you ready for lunch? The two-hander, is it? Yeah. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, you need that other shoe? I heard Riley bark out there. Did you hear him? Did you hear him? He's outside there, isn't he? Did you hear Riley bark? He wants in with us. Knock on the door. Knock and see if anyone's home. Knock. Knock on the door. Livy. Knock on the door. Go. Go. Knock. Knock on the door. You're cute. Knock again. See if anyone's home. Knock. What are you getting into over there? I see you. Did you knock on the door? Go knock. Knock. You did it, didn't you? Knock louder. And is there anybody home? Say hello. You know how to get out, don't ya? What? Are you knocking? Knock to Riley. Knock on the door. Is he not answering the door for you? I guess we're gonna have to go out. Are you going to put your shoes away so we can go have lunch? Go put them in the basket over there. Go put them in the basket. Go put the shoes in the basket. We'll put them in the basket, Boo. Yep. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. Go put them away. Good girl. There's one more over there. Hey, Liv. Hey, you. Hey, there's one over there on the floor. Pick it up too. See it on the floor? Good girl. Oh, in the basket. Go put it in the basket for me. Thank you. No, in the basket. It might fall back down on you if you put it there. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. No, silly. Go put it in the basket. Good girl. Come give Mommy a hug. Come give Mommy a hug. Oh. Oh, I got a kiss too. Thank you. Wow, that was special. How about we come out of there and we'll move that downstairs and you can play with it. I really don't want you playing beside the diaper pail. That's kind of yucky. Come with Mama. Let's go. Let's go have some lunch. Ready to have lunch? Okay, let's go, Joe. Let's go. Say bye. 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 I'm coming. Is he not answering the door? Okay, I'm coming. Okay. I'm coming. Let's go, Joe.